Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9 as you know. So here in this video I am going to do this writing task 1 from this book number and this is test number 3. Okay, so this is process diagram. So I will be explaining you full process, how you can write the statements, how you can write the detailed paragraph, how you can write the introduction as well as the overall paragraph. So always keep in mind that there is no conclusion kind of paragraph. As you know, you have to make 4 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs you can make it. It is not compulsory, but you need to explain it full. If you write in one paragraph the whole answer, that makes no sense. So it means first paragraph you will be making about introduction. So here in process you can write 3 paragraphs. If it is possible, then go for 4 paragraphs, no problem. In introduction you will be paraphrasing the question statement, okay, and then second paragraph will be there, or you can combine these both two paragraphs. Overall means what you can just guess out what is going on here and how many steps are there. In overall you will be telling this, so everything I will be explaining in detail. Okay, first paragraph will be there, or you can separate these 2 paragraphs, introduction paragraph and overall paragraph. Now coming to now as you can see there are 8 steps, from 1 to 8 steps. So you can distribute first 4 steps into body paragraph number 1 to body paragraph 3, and next last 4 steps in last paragraph. Okay, so there, just remember, there is no conclusion kind of thing in IELTS writing task 1. And how many words you need to do it? You need to write it at least 150 words. So if you don't know how to write, then 150 words, completing 150 words for this diagram will be a difficult task for you. Okay, then 120, 130 if you have written important things only. But if you know how to write English, okay, and how to write these steps, then definitely your words will go up to 170 or 180 maybe. Okay, so there will be no problem, and time limit is 20 minutes. And if possible, when you have done so much practice with writing task 1, I am sure you can easily do it within 15 minutes. Okay, let's not waste time. Let's read the statement first. The diagram below shows how instant noodles are manufactured. Okay, so we have come to know that they are showing us noodles, how noodles are manufactured. Okay, so after listening this noodle diagram, so I also want to eat this noodle now. So but I will make video before that. Okay, now you can see this. We have been given 8 steps. First step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. Now we have to analyze first. Don't worry, I will be telling you vocabulary also. Okay, so first stage is from this vehicle, from this truck, the flour has been transported into this storage silos, and then mixture kind of thing. Here water and oil will be mixed, and rollers are there. Dove sheets they have made, and after that after going through into this, after passing into this machine, then dove strips will be there, noodle disc are also there, and then 6th number step is cooking oil plus drying is there, and 7th vegetable spices are also there, and they are using cups also, labeling and sealing on the cups, and final product is there. Okay, so 8 steps are there, but what kind of language we should use it? We should use passive voice kind of thing, as well as use some particular vocabulary also for this. So you can see this is in line process, so we will just say it's a linear process diagram. Okay, linear process diagram. Now coming to the vocabulary, so whatever the process diagram is there, always remember. So whenever you are doing practice, please write down in your copy, make notes. So taking screenshot will not work, because screenshot will be there only in your phones. If you write it, if you make notes with this video, definitely when you are doing practice for writing task 1, open this dictionary and use these words. When you will be consulting this dictionary, these words will come in your mind when you will be doing actual exam. So man-made process, yeah, of course this is man-made process, natural process, as you know, life cycle of frog or life cycle of any other animal and all that is natural. So here we have man-made process. Linear process means this is in line diagram. So cyclical diagram also, and 7-step. So we can use the word 7-step, 5-step, linear process, 7-step linear process word, we can use it in the answer. Creates, produces, makes, comma is there, distributes, moves, use these words, these are vocabulary. Verbs, added to, passes through, processed by, sent to, goes into, begins with, enters, stored in, transported to. Okay, so you can just take a screenshot. Now coming to the main question, how we can complete it within limited time. So this is my question. The diagram below shows how instant noodles are manufactured. Okay, so what I have written, you can see this. So I have used different color pens so that you can come to know what I have written. The process depicts. Now simple thing I have written, process depicts. No, I will change it. What we can use it, the linear process, I will add the word here, linear, because I am showing you the vocabulary, so I should also use this. The linear process depicts the way in which instant noodles are made. Okay, are made, this is passive voice. Now I have combined both the paragraphs, you can see this, just a minute. Now overall what we can see, there are 8 steps. Okay, starting with storage silos and finishing with transported, labeling and sealing and labels. Okay, and overall there are 8 steps, or you can use the word overall. It can be clearly seen that there are 8 steps in the whole process. Okay, in the whole linear process, again you can use the word, beginning with flour being transported from the storage, to the, not from, it is to the storage silos, to the mixture. Okay, from this to mixture. So it was right, I was right, no, it is not wrong. Storage silos to the mixture, to the cooking and drying process, and the labeling and sealing of the finished product. So this is overall paragraph, overall from here, and this is introduction. Okay, so here you can use the word, yeah, so yes, I was telling you linear process, so you can use the word 8, because it has 8 step, 8 step linear process depicts. So this is very important word, you should use this. The 8-step linear process depicts the way. So with this word I have used adverbs here, adjective, sorry. So process, what kind of process? Linear. So what kind of process? 8-step linear process depicts. So when you use this word along with this adjective along with this word, definitely you will get good marks. But yeah, of course you have to explain it thoroughly. Now next paragraph in details. In the first paragraph we will be explaining about first 4 steps. Okay, so how we will start? First, this vehicle is coming, flour is transporting to storage silos, and from here mixture is there, water and oil. Okay, you see this, how I have written. Just watch it again and again, and so that you will come to know how I have done. In the first stage, each and every step we have to explain it. In the first stage, flour is taken from storage silos and delivered to the needle factory by truck. Okay, flour is taken from the storage silos and delivered to the needle factory by truck. So that is the first steps. Flour is taken from the storage silos, this is storage, and transported to the mixture. Okay, after that, second step. So I am not using the word first step, second step, third step, fourth step. No, first stage I have given. After that, the flour is put through a mixture where water and oil are added to make a smooth and soft dough. So this is not written, but I have made it myself. When water and oil with flour will be there, of course they are making dough sheets. So dough means smooth and softer. So that's why, to make a smooth and soft dough. Following means third step. I'm writing it here, and here this is second step. Following this, the mixture, so that you will come to know, not in exam. The mixture passes through dough sheets are formed as soon as, so this is third step. Now this is fourth step. As soon as the dough sheets are created and formed, then they go through a machine and are cut into the long strip. You can see, cut as soon as the dough sheets are formed, they are transported to the machine, and they will cut into strips. As soon as dough sheets are created and formed, then they go into a machine and are cut into long strips. Okay, now fifth step. Afterwards, the noodle strips are turned into disc, where they are then cooked in oil and dried. You can see noodle disc. Okay, and sixth and fifth, I have combined these two steps. Noodle disc they have created, and afterwards the noodle strips are turned into disc, where they are then cooked in oil and dried. So first, in fact, I have combined 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, till 6 I have done. Now I will be saying about these last 2 steps. Okay, in the final stage, this is the final stage. The instant noodles are put into cups where vegetables and spices are added. See, you can see the 7th step. Vegetables and spices are added into cups. Okay, are added for flavor. Flavor word we have just made it ourselves. Then the cups are labeled. With price. As you know, whenever we have packed food, price will be there, expiry and manufactured dates will be there. That's why I have written it, but it was not given in the chart. And sealed lastly in the factory. Last step. Once the whole process is completed, these noodles packets are packets. I have given this name myself, because as you know, they are in packets or cups, or you can use here cups also, are then ready to be delivered to supermarkets or shops and then consumed by everyone in this world. Okay, so this is the writing task 1. You can see this introduction, overall paragraph, and then first paragraph, and then this is the last paragraph. You can see. Okay, this is the vocabulary. So we have completed this task. Okay, this is the vocabulary. You can see it again. This is enough if you use it yourself. And man-made process also you can use it inside, but I haven't used it. Okay, I forgot to use it. Thank you so much.